Yeah, today's exercise, what you're going to start now is simple interest and compound interest. This is exercise number 6. So we're going to do at least 5 problems today, then tomorrow we'll do the next 5 problems. So this is the first problem. So simple
Yeah,
interest,
ma'am.
compound interest, I hope so you all know in the school you would have done this. So we are now going to do complicated problem, simple problem. So it's just a revision for this class. Like you have to know what is the formula. So what is the formula for simple interest? And what is the difference between the simple interest and compound interest? Is it blue color? Yeah, ma'am. Can anyone say what's the difference between simple interest and compound interest? Hello? Can you hear
Ma'am?
me? Yeah, what's the difference between simple
Yes,
interest and
ma'am.
compound interest? So what's the formula for simple interest?
PNR by 100.
P and R by 100. Okay. So P for principal, N for period, and R for the rate of interest. Okay. So that's it. Suppose you have the
By 100.
rate of interest is 12 percentage, then you can say this is the principal. The rate of interest is 12 percentage. That is 12. And if you have to calculate for 2 years, say the N is 2. And the interest is simple interest is nothing but 1000 into R is 2, sorry, N is 2, R is 12 divided by 100. So how much is it? 240. So, or you can say per like 12 percentage interest when we say, you know that 12 percentage of 1000 is how much? 120. Because 1000 into 12 by 100, that's 120. So 2 years is going to 240. That's it, right? So this is a simple interest. And what is the compound interest formula? What is the formula for the compound interest? P into 1 plus
1 plus
R
R
by
by
100
N.
to the power n minus p. Because when you consider this compound interest, we calculate along with principal. So if you want only the interest, then you have to subtract this principal from that. So this is a formula. Again, the same thing. N is for the period and R is for the rate of interest and P is principal. Okay. So this is a basic formula, and based on this, you're going to do it. But you can't say that the simple interest component is a very simple topic, because most of the complicated problems in CAT comes from the simple interest compound interest. It is little complicated in that level, but now we are going to start with a very basic problem. Okay. So later we'll go for the tough problems. So now you tell me this. What the question asks is, find the simple interest for 12,000 at 8% per annum for 2 years. Right. So what are you supposed to do? Find the simple interest. So simple interest, now just now you said the formula. So you have to write down what is
12,000
principal, what
into
is the interest on the PNR by 100. So this is 12,000 is the principal.
2 into
And
8.
2 years, 8 percentage
8
by
by
100.
100.
What's the answer? 16 into 12.
120, ma'am.
Into 6, 192.
1,192.
1920.
What is
1,922.
just 16 into 12? What is 16 into 12?
192, ma'am.
192. And followed
192.
by one more zero.
0.
Because 2 zeros will get cancelled with this. Right. So it's very simple. So there's nothing much to do in this. The next. A sum of money becomes 4 times in 12 years at simple interest rate. Find the rate of interest. A sum of money becomes 4 times in 12 years. So a sum, when they say, what do you mean by sum? Sum is nothing but normally your principal will be sum for the first time when you have the money with you. But when you are getting interest, then we can say principal plus interest becomes a sum. The money which you get. So if you are putting in the bank, you'll be getting some interest for that, and then the basic principal, whatever you had, plus that interest becomes sum. And it is said that this becomes how many times? 4 times. So the initial amount which you had was principal, and now after some time, like with the interest, that becomes say principal plus interest, that becomes your sum, and that is going to be 4 times. So it's going to be 4p. That's it. Whatever the sum you have, it becomes 4 times the principal. Sum of money becomes 4 times in 12 years. Okay, and replace them. Principal plus what is interest? PNR by 100. P. N is 12 and R we do not know, so keep it as such. Equals 4. So when you bring this one here, that becomes like P into R. P into this one 12. 12 into R divided by 100 becomes, this comes to this side and then that will be 3P. You can cancel these two and you will find the rate of interest. So R alone you have to find. So this P will be here into 100 by 12. So what is it?
25.
3 by 12 is 1 by 4. 100 by 4 is 25%. Yeah. This question is very common. Like they keep asking you, like it becomes 3 times, it becomes 4 times, or something. Always you have to take this formula: P plus I equal to how many ever times it is there. Can I go to the next page?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. In what time does a sum of money becomes thrice at simple interest with a rate of interest of 8% per annum? Now you tell me what you're supposed to do in this. Ajay Murthy, after a long time you have entered, so can you just tell me what you're supposed to take here? Or anyone else? Yes, ma'am. In what time does a sum of money becomes thrice? So you have seen in the previous problem. So what was that we have seen here? In the previous problem, it has become 4 times. So what we have done? We have taken the principal plus interest, that becomes 4 times. So in this problem, what is asked? You forget about all. So how many times it has become? Thrice. So you have to, first thing is you have to have the same formula. Principal plus the interest becomes
3.
what?
3P.
You can even reduce it here itself. This becomes 2P because this P will come here. This will that 3P minus P is 2P. Okay. And now you write down what are the details given there. What is the rate of interest?
8%.
Sorry, with the rate of interest given, you have to find out what? Time. So here you replace this. What is this? PNR by 100. PNR by 100.
R by 100.
Equals 2P. Right. So we can cancel this. And N is supposed to be found out. R is already given here. So N into 8 by 100 equals 2. So what is N?
25.
2 into 8.
25.
by 100.
I'm sorry. I made a mistake.
2 into 100.
2 into 100.
Okay. So here
25.
25.
is 25. It's almost the same problem. There in the previous problem, what we had is it
Sum
the
of
same?
money.
No, it's little different. Okay. Okay, any doubt in this? This is the main formula which you should remember. Okay, 3 times or 4 times or whatever is given there. Next. A certain sum of money amounts to rupees 1125 in 5 years and 1200 in 8 years. Find the sum. You just give me the idea like what you're supposed to do here. At least you tell me how you are going to proceed. This is not similar to the previous one, right? But you know what is known here? The year is given. You are supposed to find the sum.
1125 plus 1200. Is
Why
the
should we
principal
add
amount?
these two?
Principal
You can
amount.
form individual formula, right? First formula, what you can write? This is 100.
125 plus I is
What is
equal
this
to 5.
120? 1125 is what? It's a sum. It's not principal.
Oh,
The
okay.
sum of money amounts to this. So which two becomes this 1125? Principal plus
Interest
the interest in the
Interest.
first
equal
case
to
becomes
1125.
1125. Right. Again, in the second case, maybe I can say this interest is 1, and I can say principal is going to be same, but plus this one interest
I2
will become 1200.
1200.
So you're going to get two different equations. You can solve for it. So you can just replace this principal plus what is here. What will you replace here? For interest one, what you're going to replace?
1200 minus
The
I2.
formula. What is that formula?
PNR.
PNR.
N R. B is same. N is
N is
8.
read the question. What is
5
given
years.
there? Yes.
5 years.
5 years.
Is it
ma'am.
8? So it's 120. Sorry, 1125 is the sum you get after how many years?
5 years, ma'am.
It's given here, right? 5 years.
5
Sum
years.
of money amounts to 1125 in 5 years. So therefore, this is going to be the interest for 5 years, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And the interest R is not known, so I'll keep it as R itself. Divided by 100.
100.
And that is going to be 1125. Similarly, here we have the same principle, but what will be this one? I2.
P into
8
8.
years.
8 into
8 into the
R
same
by-
rate of interest divided by 100. Okay, that should be 1200. Solve it. So it's going to be P plus, we'll keep it as PR by 100 itself. Because let us consider that as a separate variable because it's going to be same here also. 1125. And here is going to be P plus PR by 100 into 8 equals 1200. So you have two variables. I can consider this as one variable and this as another variable. So similarly, here also you have two variables, two equations. So you can solve, right? So let me solve this. I'll subtract this from this. So let me write on this. Or I'll bring this one here. So this is going to be P plus PR by 100 into 5 equals 1125.
2 3. Cancel.
Aditya is still waiting, I think so. He's always late. Okay. I'll just.
Ma'am, I'm already there, ma'am.
You're there already?
Yeah,
Fine.
ma'am.
But who's entering? Someone else. Yeah. So here, just solve this. These are the two equations. Just subtract this. This will get
3P
cancelled.
cancel.
And this is going to be how much?
3PR by 100.
Here by 100 is a common, and within bracket is going to be 8 minus 5. And how much is this?
45.
75, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
200 minus 125, 75. So PR by 100 is going to be 75, and this is 3. 3 will come down. It's nothing
25.
25.
but what you're supposed to find the sum. So sum you have to find out. So we
Yes,
can
with the
replace
zero.
this PR by 100 in any one of this equation. Okay, so maybe we'll replace it here. So the first equation, when you replace this P plus PNR by 100, that is PR 5 by 100 equals 1125. So P plus, what is PR by 100 here? The
25.
PR by 100 is nothing but 25. So it's going to be 25, and this 5 is already existing here, which is equal to 1125. So what is P? 1125
Thousand.
minus this is
1000.
125. 1000. We want only the principal. So we have found out this, right?
125.
Basically, the simple interest, compound interest is like a form of equations only. You have to solve the equations. And as I said, it seems to be very easy because you have only one formula. You have to apply that and get the answers. But most of the time, we can see that this will be little complicated. Like every problem will be of different kind. So in CAT level, when we teach this simple interest, compound interest, this will be most toughest for them. Like it confuses them a lot because every problem will be of different kind and we have to approach in different way. So just you have to go through these kind of problems, how to solve. That's it. Can I go to the next one?
Ma'am, sure.
Yes? Be louder, I can't hear. Can I go to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Are anyone coughing?
Yep.
Yeah. A sum of money doubles itself in 4. I think there is a mistake here. It's not 4B, it's 4.
4 years.
Yeah.
Simple interest rate.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you tell me. A sum of money doubles itself in 4 years at simple interest. In how many years will it amount to 8 times? It's almost the same kind of problem. We are not given the different type. So can you solve this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. I think it is subject. Please solve it. And tell me the answer. You tell me one by one, step by step, what to do. First is
The equation.
same old thing, like what you are supposed to write initially.
Plus
Right, because it's given as
Sum
so
is-
what is it, sum? Principal
Principal plus I is equal
plus
to
what happens to that?
doubles
Doubles. Doubles means
2p.
2p. Therefore, interest is equal to p because it will come here.
P.
2 minus p is p. Now you replace the values. What is interest? PNR by 100. So p into what is n here?
4 years.
4.
4.
Not mentioned. Is it mentioned?
No. No.
So what is R here? This will get
25.
cancelled.
25, ma'am.
25. Right.
25, ma'am.
In how many years will it become 8 times? So how do you write it? Again the same sum. But now the sum we are going to see for 8 years. So this principal plus the interest will become not 8 years, 8 times. That becomes 8 times of the principal. Therefore,
Is equal to 70.
70. And replace the values now. P into
N
N into R is
25.
25 by 100 equals 70. So this will get cancelled. So what is
N
N
equal to
equal?
4 years.
N is equal to
28.
What is it?
28.
28. So in 28 years,
28,
it's
ma'am.
going to become 8 times. Any doubt in this?
No.
What I have seen is most of the problems are similar kind. So for your exercise, we will try to change the problems. But there are different kinds of problems that some would have to be included in this. Okay. So we'll stop at this.
yes.
And
Okay,
then
ma'am.
next 5
Yes,
problems
ma'am.
we'll do it tomorrow. Okay, fine. Any doubt in this so far?
No, ma'am. Not at
No,
all.
ma'am.
Not so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you, ma'am.